Hi, I'm Lily-Grace. I'm a T-level student at Barnsley College doing design, surveying and planning, and I've been doing my work placement at Pell Frischmann. Initially I wanted to take an apprenticeship, but after discovering the T-level course I found that I could get a quality education as well as experience in the real working world. A T-level course is a course that is similar to other courses, except you'd have to do a 45-day placement or 315 hours equivalent, as well as your coursework. Often it'll be you go maybe 2 days a week to your placement and then the rest will be in college. Pell Frischmann had been in talks with the college and we had been told to find a good placement, and we were told that Pell Frischmann was offering placements. I looked into the website and found that they have done a lot of projects to do with water, and I am very sustainability inclined and it really aligned with my interests. I found that a lot of people were nervous to start their placement or weren't getting into the right placement, so I worried that it would be scary, people won't be nice. But I found it really good. People have been really welcoming and I've learnt a lot, and more than I think I would have learnt anywhere else. I've learnt a lot to communicate better. I've learnt to better communicate over phone calls when the graduates have been working from home. I've also learnt a lot of CAD skills that I would not have been able to learn without access to the equipment and people teaching me, and I've just got valuable advice from a lot of people working here. I think this placement has seen me enjoying a lot more things than I thought I would, but the experience in the environment and water team has solidified where I want to go, and the placement in general has made me lean to a degree apprenticeship as opposed to full-time uni. I have found myself really surprised with how much I've enjoyed in this placement, even in the areas I was initially interested in. So don't be too picky with your placement. I'd say you're gonna find something you enjoy and you may discover something new.